Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you log into Viki app. If you wanna log into Viki app, you just have to follow the steps. To log in, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and along with that, make sure that you already have an account. Now to begin with, you need to open up your Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Viki. When you type in that here, you want to go ahead and install it. Once you've actually installed it, then it's gonna take some time just for the installation, so wait patiently. So once it is installed, click the open button and open up the application. When you open up your application, it's gonna show something like this. Since you want to log in, click the login button at the bottom of the page. Here you could go ahead and type in or select the way of logging in. If you have created your account using your Google, Facebook, or your different account, then you need to go ahead and do the same procedure by following the steps. Or else if you're manually entering your email address and then created a password, then you need to follow the steps. So this way you'll be able to log into Viki app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.